In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Bookmap Multiple Charts 2026 Full Guide. First, open Bookmap and sign in to your account. Before you start adding more charts, make sure your platform is fully loaded and ready to go. The next thing you want to do is connect to your broker or market data provider. This is important because your data feed needs to be active before you open additional charts. Otherwise, the charts may not populate correctly. Once your connection is confirmed, open your first chart by subscribing to the instrument you want to monitor. This could be a futures market, a stock, or a crypto pair, depending on what you trade. Think of this first chart as the base of your workspace. After that, open additional charts. You can do this by clicking the plus or subscribe button, or by using the Ctrl and T keyboard shortcut on Windows. Choose another instrument or contract, then click subscribe. Repeat that process for each chart you want to display. This is the core of building a multi-chart view, and it gives you the flexibility to monitor several markets at the same time. Now arrange the charts in a way that matches your workflow. Some traders prefer a side-by-side setup for quick comparison, while others like a top and bottom layout. If you use multiple monitors, you can spread charts across screens, and if needed, you can also use floating chart windows. The goal here is to create a layout that makes information easy to read at a glance. Next, synchronize the charts. Open the chart synchronization options, link the charts you want to compare, and choose what you want to sync. You may synchronize time, price, both time and price, and in some cases zoom level as well. Once they are linked, moving through one chart updates the others, which makes comparison much smoother. From there, customize each chart independently. You can adjust heat map settings, add volume dots, VW app, CVD, EMA, and any other studies or add-ons you use. This is useful because not every chart has to show the exact same information. You can tailor each one to a specific purpose within your trading strategy. With your chart set up, you can monitor multiple markets more effectively. This is especially helpful for comparing related instruments, different expirations, multiple stocks, crypto pairs, or correlated markets in real time.